Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that free Joby token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Joby is a Solana powered community token inspired by Joby Week's vision for financial freedom, blockchain innovation and individual sovereignty built around the free job movement. It celebrates resilience, decentralization, and the belief that transparent borderless technology can empower people worldwide. More than a meme coin, Joby unites supporters behind a story of freedom, adoption, and community development momentum. Free Joby token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion. Joby token is listed on KCX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion then this project, up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.